I got this desk clamp power strip today, and it is very, very good, well built. It has a clamp for any desktop. It's made of metal, surge protector, 3 grounded, 1 10 outlets, 2 USB. And I got it for this gaming table. Very easy to clamp, no fuss. It fits well, very good product. It's very versatile. You don't have to exactly use it right at your gaming table or desktop. The clamp comes off, and you can predominantly use it anywhere you want. I have it clamped to my gaming table now, and it is a very good power source. I like it because I can take it off, move my table like I need, put it back, power's there for monitor, computer, PlayStation, Xbox, charge your phones,
The station
everything.
Johann Sebastian Bach.